Okay, so we're gonna cook a lamb loin. So it's already cut and spread it right there. I'm gonna roast it, and I put some carrots, some um, cherry tomatoes, and slices of potatoes. So I'm gonna roast it into the oven and cook it as what it is. I just put some salt, garlic salt, some olive oil, and kind of Italian seasoning right there. And then I'm gonna make a curry sauce to put the sauce in it, like a curry lamb loin, you know. But I will have to make the curry sauce separate. So we'll just let it roast this one in the oven, and let's see what's going. It's an experiment if it works.